Have you ever wondered how a small drone can bring sleepless nights to a massive enemy? Developed in Ukraine, the Punisher drone has become a symbol of modern warfare, a lightweight, low-cost, high-impact weapon that strikes fear into enemy lines. It's not just a machine, it's a silent assassin designed to disrupt, destroy, and disappear without a trace. The Punisher drone was developed by Ukrainian defense tech company UA Dynamics. It's the result of years of hard work by local engineers and military strategists. Built specifically to counter Russian aggression, this drone may look small, but it performs with deadly precision. With stealth capabilities and a compact design, it slips past enemy radar, flies deep into hostile territory, and delivers its payload right on target. The Punisher has an effective range of around 45 kilometers and can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. What truly sets it apart is its ability to carry a payload of up to 2 kilograms of explosives. This may not sound like much, but it's more than enough to destroy supply trucks, ammunition depots, or command posts. It's typically used in coordination with another drone, the Spectre, which scouts the area first. Once the target is confirmed, the Punisher moves in silently and strikes with precision. This deadly duo creates a seamless system of surveillance and destruction. Another major advantage of the Punisher drone is its low cost. Where conventional airstrikes or missile systems can cost millions of dollars, the Punisher can perform similar missions at a fraction of the price. This has made it a key component of Ukraine's tactical arsenal, especially in a war where cost-effectiveness and flexibility are essential. But the Punisher's greatest weapon isn't its explosives, it's its silence. It operates like a ghost, bypassing enemy detection systems and striking from the shadows. It's been used to devastate Russian logistics centers, fuel convoys, and ammunition depots. In this war, it's not just firepower that wins, it's smart strategy and superior tech. And the Punisher represents both. Beyond its battlefield success, this drone stands as a symbol of Ukraine's resilience and innovation. Despite being outgunned and under pressure, Ukraine has developed a homegrown weapon that challenges global military norms. In the face of a powerful adversary, they didn't just fight back, they got smarter. In combat, every second matters. And the Punisher drone turns those seconds into a nightmare for the enemy. Just when they think they're safe, death descends from the skies, silent, swift, and unstoppable. The Punisher isn't just a tool of war. It's a message. A message that in the age of technology, size doesn't always matter. What matters is precision, intelligence, and adaptability. The Punisher proves that small nations can still fight with strength, with strategy, and with cutting-edge innovation. If you're fascinated by advanced military technology and the secret weapons shaping the future of war, then hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. In our next episode, we'll explore some of the most dangerous autonomous killer robots ever built, machines that can identify and eliminate targets without human intervention. So stay with us, because knowledge is power, and we're here to deliver that power straight to you.